me now. Where's your puppy? Miss
She's
Mellow.
a quiet little
She's
girl.
Miss Mellow.
Yeah, you're so mellow. Yeah.
She's tired from playing earlier.
What's that?
Puppy, puppy, puppy. It's got a beautiful ear set.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What do you think, huh? What do you think? There you go. Hi. Yes, there you go.
Where's your toy? Hi, baby girl. Who's your baby? Who's your baby? Who's your baby? Who's your mom's baby? Go see Cheryl. Go see Aunt Cheryl.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, yes.
Look at you. Look at you.
Who's that cutie pie? Who's your puppy?
Look at that. Yes. Look at you. Yes. Oh, hi. Oh, thank you for the nice soft kisses. Yes, miss. Oh, thank you. Yes. Yes.
Are you Miss Mellow?
You're Miss Mellow. Yeah.
Look at that cutie pie. Okay, go ahead and set her down. Who's your puppy? Who's your little girl? Oh, no, it's the shoe puppy. It's the shoe puppy. Hey, who's your puppy? Who's your puppy? Who's your puppy? Do you love your mama? Yes, you love your mama, don't you? Here, go see it, Cheryl. Go get the toy. Go get the toy. Go get the toy. Go get the toy. Go get the puppy. Look at you. Yeah, I just love your puppy. I just love your puppy. Go see it, Cheryl. Hey.
Hello. Hello. Yay. Yay.
Okay, puppy, say goodbye. Let's wave to everybody and say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy. Say goodbye, puppy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There you go. She likes her pets. There you go, puppy. There you go. Okay, bye, puppy, puppy, puppy.
So this is Puppy. She's a female, 418.
Okay, baby. What do you want to do? You want to play with that toy? Yeah. There you go. You like your toy, huh? You want to show it off? Give the toy. Give the toy. You play with that. Good puppy. Good puppy. Are you a good girl? Okay, go ahead. Let's have it. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see what you think about that toy. Come here. You want to show that toy off to Mom? You going to show that toy off? You going to show that toy off? What a good puppy. Good job, puppy. Good toy. Yeah. Show off that toy. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, you're so happy. You're so happy you have a new toy. It's a special toy. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, kitty pie. Looks much as fun. Oh, look at you.
All right.
Look at little girl. What a good puppy.
So yeah, so
Wow.
toys really helps
Jeez.
build confidence in puppies and stuff. And if you reward that, like, oh, look at me, you know, it gives them like, I don't know, a lot of feeling of competency, you know. She's loving this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Except for plush toys, you don't want to leave them unattended with plush toys. You think they can like chew apart.
Hey, good girl. Do you have a toy, puppy, puppy? Come here. Who's your puppy? Who's your puppy? Yay, puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, there she. Where are you? Where? There you are. What a good girl. What a good girl to come and share your toy with me. What a good girl to share your toy. Yes. what a good girl to share your toy.